Welcome to Google Apps, Drive and Docs, Learning It and Integrating It, Session 1, Part 1. Just to give you an overview of your Let's Get Googling course. It is set into two parts. Part 1 has 4 sessions. Part 2 has 5 sessions. Part 1 will cover Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Drive. And Part 2 will go over how to create a website using Google Sites. All the links appear in a document in Schoology called the links for the certain session. In those links, once you're done reviewing the video, you can review and go through the links because they go through all the tutorials to show you exactly what you need to do to be able to learn how to be successful using Google Docs, Drive, Sheets, Slides, and then Sites. For information from me, my name is Joel Warsh. I currently live in Denver, so just so you notice the time difference, I try to answer emails within 48 hours. If you have a question, please email me. You could message me through Schoology, or if you're taking this course through Lake Erie College, you can email me at my Lake Erie email through the Leo system. This is a self-paced course. So if you finish the course and you need a transcript prior to the end of the semester, please contact me because normally I just turn everybody's grades in at the end of the semester. If you've never used Google Docs, just know that Google Docs is a great way to collaborate, collect, and share information in a secure online environment. The different kind of documents you can create are word processing, spreadsheets, presentations, which is now called slides, forms and quizzes, and drawings. Please watch the video, Google Docs in Plain English. The link is listed on the links document for this session, so you get a deeper understanding of how Google Docs works. When you're word processing, you will be creating a Google document. You can create new Google documents. You can also upload existing word processing documents to Google Drive and convert them to a Google Doc or store them as they are. So if you are someone who is converting from Microsoft Word to Google Docs, just know you can upload those Word documents to Google Drive. Sometimes all the formatting doesn't keep, but you will have the basics of the document. There are also many different kinds of templates you can use and explore in Google Docs as well. If you need help, maybe with a resume, a cover letter, a newsletter, you can explore the templates to give you some options. On the links document, please watch the complete screencast for formatting the Google Docs so you know all the different things and tools you need to use, from italics, underline, bold, changing your font, the size, the color, your alignments, putting in tables, creating a hyperlink, all those different things. If you are a person who also likes to see written versions of directions, on the links document, there are written directions as well. Sharing in Google Docs is one of its greatest features. If you watch the video Google Docs in Plain English, it'll explain how the sharing actually works and why it's so important. Just know that when you create a Google Doc, you are the owner of a doc, and as an owner, you control the sharing access. So you can invite people to collaborate on the doc and allow them to edit the document and comment the document. You can also invite people to a document that they can just view and not have any editing rights. You can also invite people to documents where they can just comment on the side and not actually edit. So you have many different accesses that you can give to people, whether it's from simple view access all the way up to 100% editing rights. There are limitations on Google Docs. In a doc, you can have 200 views and editors combined. In a spreadsheet, 50 people may be able to view or edit it, And in presentations or slides, as they're called, the limitations is 10 people. Once again, when you finish this presentation, video presentation, refer to the links documents and go over the screencast for sharing documents. There are a variety of options for downloading and printing a Google Doc. You can generate a PDF file or have the document downloaded as different file options. You have page setup and print setting options as well, and print preview. There's a printing screencast for you to view in the links document as well. But let's take a look at some of the downloading options. When you're in a Google Doc, if you go under File, you have Download. You could download it as a Microsoft Word document, an open document format, a rich text format, a PDF document, a plain text, a web page. So you have different options. When you're going to page setup, you can choose portrait or landscape. You can change the margins if you want to fill up more space. And here's the place where you can change the page color of your document by simply clicking on it. And it's kind of hidden a little bit because you'd like it to be up somewhere in the formatting, but you actually have to go into page setup. And if you think about it, you're not formatting the text, you're formatting the page. So that's how you can change it. If you want to set up some kind of defaults in your page setup, you can pick your settings and set it as a default. Now it's time to practice. You're going to create a word processing document, a Google Doc. You're going to format the document so I know you know how to use the tools. So you can type in your name or something else if you want, that's up to you. My goal is to see that you understand how to use the various tools on the toolbar. So change the font, the color, and the size. Change the background color of the document as I showed you in page setup. Insert an image into the document. Insert a table. Insert a link that is either a text link or an image link. So you're going to link to an outside website, but please make sure that it is not just a link that is copy and pasted. You'll share the document with your instructor, which is myself, and also go into Schoology and submit. So when you're submitting the document, you can submit the link. You do not have to download the whole document. The point of Google Docs is to share. So you'll share the document with me, either my Joel Warsh Gmail address, or if you're taking the class through Lake Erie College, you can share it with my Lake Erie email address. But please make sure you go into Schoology and under submissions, paste the link to the document that you shared with me. Thank you.